Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on TikTok. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device and head down to the plus button on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the upload option at the right side of your screen. Select the pictures you want to post. You can select multiple pictures by tapping the small circle at the top of the photos. When you tap the circles on the top left of your photos, numbers should appear. Tap on the next button once you are done choosing your photos. Tap on the cross button at the top of your screen if you want to remove the sound that TikTok automatically adds to your photos. Tap on the next button. Now you can share your photos with your friends by tapping on post. And that's it. This is how you add multiple photos on your TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.